In this tutorial, we're going to have a look at what you can do if you've made a recording where the levels are way too low. In this case, the levels on this region are very low. Even if I do try to apply the alter level, nothing happens. This is not because the alter level is not working. It's not even because the levels are set correctly. It's just because that we fear that if we start adjusting the level here, we might introduce distortion. So you have to do it yourself. One thing you can do is to grab the gain handle and drag it up. And here we can see we can add 15 dB of gain to this region. That might fix the problem, but that might not be enough. So one other thing you can do is export this selection. Let's call this gain. Find a folder, choose wave format, say save. Now what we want to do is take the file that we just exported and drag it back into Hindenburg. Now the level should be loud enough for the alter level to make the correct adjustments. So I'm going to take this file, drag it into the system, and when I let go, hopefully the alter level will now be applied. Let's see if that works. So now we can go ahead and delete the old region. And the new region here, we know that the levels are set correctly.